The new Ethereum killer enter into the market. Named Near Protocol. Recent token sale was closed a few days back by raising $21.6 million. Following the second token sale, Near Protocol has launched mainnet successfully. Near is founded by almost the same of Solana cryptocurrency, and this project was launched a few weeks ago. The Near Protocol already started gaining attention from top investors as they already backed by Andreessen Horowitz. That is A16Z. This company already invested funds over $515 million worth. Hi everyone, you're watching Crypto University, where you get all the latest news about crypto, blockchain, and NFTs. Make sure to watch the video until the end and hit the like button if you find it informative and unique. Also be aware of the scam comments in the comment section. Don't give anyone your personal info or even sign on to an anonymous site. We'll never ask you to contact us on WhatsApp. In this video, we'll talk about three main things: the team behind Near Protocol, how it works, and most importantly, its price predictions. Let's get started. Team behind Near Protocol launched 3 projects on blockchain, and some of them was working in Google. Near project already backed by more than 23 investors, which include Blockchain, Pantera, Coinbase, Metastable. Token sale 3 will begin soon in July 2020, as per the roadmap, and after the tradings will be started. What is Near Protocol? As outlined on the crypto's website, Near empowers millions to invent and explore new experiences. Business, creativity, and community are being reimagined for a more sustainable and inclusive future. Near is compatible with Ethereum, Polkadot, and Cosmos, and according to the Near white paper, is a complex technology with a simple goal: allow developers and entrepreneurs to easily and sustainably build applications which secure high-value assets like money and identity, while making them performant and usable enough for consumers to access. Its white paper says Near has been designed according to a host of design principles that include attempting to improve on usability, scalability, simplicity, and sustainable decentralization. Near Protocol uses sharding and proof of stake backed by novel consensus mechanism termed as Nightshade. Ethereum 2.0 concept is also similar, but they're going to provide freedom to creation of dApp and blockchain and those who don't have the knowledge of blockchain engineering. Near gets appreciation from founder of Ethereum, that is Vitalik Buterin, as he stated Near will be the big challenger for Ethereum in the future. Team already confirmed the scalability is not the one where they're focused. The recent launch event they discuss about plans and project, where their main goal is to have high-performance blockchain that can make decentralized development easier. So overall, it takes more than 2 years of development to launch a project, and after seeing this response, the project accomplished 50% of target with mainnet. Mainnet already produced millions of blocks and executed successfully. The project already rewarded themselves the best thing going in blockchain industry, and they claim to become backbone to final stage of blockchain. The Bitcoin has created digital currency and Near right, the last chapter of evolution. That's strong words from community. The prediction for Near Protocol hard to mention because there is no record found of token sale. Token sale is not available for public offering. The only top companies can be part of this sale. The ICO or airdrop expected to be happening soon. As per official website, token will be launching soon, and they already provide sign-in option for getting update after it launch, and they are also want to stay away from false or fraud token sales. Near all sets to support NFTs on their own network. On roadmap during May to June 2022, users need to mint NFT on platform to get rewarded. Challenge include front-end to be deployed for connecting NFT smart contract and more. Near now trading below $6 and making new resistance to make comeback, as in during peak of market Near surpasses $20 all-time high, and considering that token price slumps nearly by 350%. Price prediction for Q2. If the crypto asset constructs on volumes from its current levels at $15.15, the price could establish firm grounds at $17.338. Rising from this could push the price to a new all-time high at $21.679, while regular buying and selling pressures could land the price at $17.632. On the other hand, depleting volumes and a lack of interest amongst traders could bring the price down to $14.101. Near prediction for Q4. Developmental and community building initiatives alongside positive social sentiments could further drive the price in fourth quarter, which could pave the way to its maximum trading value of $34.407, whilst a balance in trade activities could take the price to $30.52. Bears outweighing the bulls could plunge the price down to $22.877. What does the market say? According to Wallet Investor's price prediction, the price of the digital asset could hit a potential high of $25.586 by the end of 2022. The prediction from the firm expects the minimum and maximum targets to fall at $19.95 and $22.281. Wallet Investor has also made forecasts for the long term. It expects the price to hit a maximum of $54.798 by the end of 2025. Near Protocol Price Prediction 2023. Going by the news of shorter and longer price trends, it is highly likely that the end of 2022 or the year 2023 may not be so great for the Near coin value, especially with rivals catching up, the heat, or the market reflecting massive volatility. There is a predicted eventuality of Near prices incurring a loss, showing some resistance, but only meager, dropping to a support level of $16.52 again. Near Protocol Price Prediction 2024, stating that a jaw-dropping possibility does not exist in the market and that bulls will ride the crypto market, it is once again expected that Near Protocol will rule the crypto coin kingdom with a performance of price pegged at $17.92. This is equivalent to the same that was predicted at the end of the year 2021 in the news, which shows Near coin price has full potential, going by the pattern, to not only sustain but could consistently grow even in adverse conditions. Price prediction for the next 5 years. Growing environmental concerns and the need for decentralization could be imperative in the price action of Near, as it could bring in a spike in adoption and alliances. This could impart impetus into Near's move to $82.262. On the other hand, negative criticism and emerging potential rivals could drag the price down to $43.581. Digital coin price. As per the prediction of digital coin price, the Near price could end its trade in 2022 with a maximum price of $21.1. The firm has set maximum and minimum targets for the next year at $19.7 and $18.53. That said, the maximum closing targets for 2023 and 2025 are pinned at $23.87 and $31.09. The project gets massive response in ICO sale with key partnership and different blockchain firms. The team behind Near Protocol has great experience as they're coming from big tech giants like Google and Microsoft. Original idea of behind launching project is to provide developer-friendly platform that allow everyone next generation blockchain. Network with sharded decentralized computing network target low-end devices like mobile, Wi-Fi and other devices. The project creates infrastructure that allows the support of dApp to create a bridge between massive adoption. So yeah, since its launch, Near Protocol has revolutionized several sectors. Many regulators have approved the coin, and a team of specialist developers is working hard to promote it and increase acceptance. That wraps up the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay notified about our uploads. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.